Welcome everyone to the Soul Garden channel, where vibrant, glossy, and long-lasting anthurium blooms shine for months. To give you more options for caring for anthuriums and other indoor plants, today I will share a simple yet surprisingly effective tip for nurturing anthuriums. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. To make today's fertilizer, I will use fresh lemons. In the kitchen, lemons are a familiar ingredient, but for anthuriums, they act like a natural recovery tonic. To start preparing the solution, I will cut this fresh lemon in half. Then squeeze the juice from one half through a small sieve placed over a bowl to completely remove seeds and pulp. Lemons contain citric acid, a compound that provides gentle disinfection, cleans the root surface, prevents fungal diseases, and balances soil pH to promote a healthy root system and better nutrient absorption. Once I have the clean lemon juice, I gently pour it into a clean glass container. Then add 3 liters of clean water. Finally, I stir thoroughly to ensure the citric acid and vitamins in the lemon fully dissolve into the water, creating a clear solution ready for the next step in caring for anthuriums. This dilution is crucial because using undiluted lemon juice with its high acid concentration could damage tender roots. When diluted correctly, the solution becomes a gentle yet effective protective shield. Method 1. After diluting the juice of half a lemon with about 3 liters of clean water, I will pour this mixture into a clean spray bottle. Using a spray bottle not only ensures the solution is distributed evenly and gently across the entire plant, but also prevents damage to the delicate young leaves of anthuriums and avoids the risk of root rot. This small step is key to helping the plant absorb nutrients optimally. I will mist the solution onto both the upper and lower surfaces of each anthurium leaf. The leaf surface has countless tiny stomata gateways that allow the plant to take in vitamin C, citric acid, potassium, and magnesium from the lemon. These nutrients act like a natural armor, boosting the anthurium's resilience, protecting against fungal diseases, and stimulating more vigorous root activity. Citric acid also helps clean dust or residue buildup on the leaves, making each leaf glossy and smooth as if coated with a natural wax. When leaves are healthy and photosynthesis occurs efficiently, anthurium flowers develop richer colors, last longer, and bloom more consistently. Additionally, the lemon solution stimulates the growth tips of anthuriums, encouraging faster new leaf growth, thicker leaf petioles that hug the plant tightly, creating a balanced canopy that protects the roots and maintains natural moisture. With consistent application, you'll notice your anthurium awakening from glossy green leaves to vibrant red, pink, or white flowers that stand out in any space. For the orchids placed nearby, I apply the same misting method. The vitamin C and minerals from the lemon help orchid leaves stay glossy, roots become white and plump, and reduce yellowing leaves or premature bud drop. While anthuriums are the star of the garden, the graceful swaying orchids nearby enhance the beauty and vibrant vitality of the entire garden corner. Method 2. After evenly misting the diluted lemon solution over the Anthurium leaves, I use a soft cotton pad to gently wipe each leaf from the petiole to the tip. This method removes dust, residue, and any remaining water droplets, especially at the junction between the petiole and leaf blade, an area where moisture can accumulate and create a favorable environment for fungal diseases. For Anthuriums, keeping the leaf surface clean and dry not only improves respiration, but also enhances photosynthesis, ensuring long-lasting, healthy, glossy leaves. The citric acid in lemons acts as a natural disinfectant, eliminating potential bacteria and mold. Meanwhile, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium in lemons provide nutrients directly through the leaves, stimulating metabolism and boosting plant resilience. I always make sure to wipe both sides of the leaves carefully, as the undersides are often a hiding spot for thrips or mealybugs, silent pests that cause yellowing leaves, flower drop, or weakened plants. When wiping, if I notice sticky spots or slow-moving white specks, it's a sign to address promptly to protect the next blooming cycle. Wiping leaves with the lemon solution about once a week not only prevents diseases but also makes Anthurium leaves glossier, cooler, and more vibrant. This is also a moment to connect with the plant, observing subtle changes to adjust care, ensuring the plant stays healthy and blooms consistently year-round. In another corner of the garden, I apply this method to orchids preparing to bud. After wiping with the lemon solution, orchid leaves become fresher, glossier, and healthier, aiding in better light absorption, resulting in fuller buds and vibrant blooms. To begin the watering step, I prepare a clean glass container and pour 1 liter of purified water into it. I also have the next ingredient ready: pure honey, a treasure trove of nutrients that nourishes the root system, makes Anthurium leaves glossy, thick, and healthy, and helps the plant naturally resist pests and diseases. Organic energy drink. Valuable nutrients immediately. Results after 3 months. After consistently applying the lemon and honey fertilizer method, the results truly exceed expectations. Anthurium leaves that were once dull and weak are now lush, glossy, sturdy, and full of vitality. Common issues like yellowing leaves, premature flower wilting, or bud drop have almost completely disappeared. Not only are the leaves healthier, but the flower stalks are also thicker and stronger, supporting vibrant red anthurium blooms that last longer with richer colors. Interestingly, when I applied this recipe to the orchids placed near the anthuriums, the results were equally surprising. Orchid roots became white and plump, leaves turned glossy, and some plants that had been reluctant to bloom started showing new buds, even producing new flower spikes without the need for expensive chemical fertilizers. With just lemons, honey, and a bit of patience, both anthuriums and orchids in the garden have revived strongly, bursting with vibrant colors. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the Soul Garden channel to continue exploring natural, safe, and effective plant care tips with me. Please share your experiences in the comments. I'm always ready to listen and join you in nurturing a loving green garden.